Welcome to this cooling breathwork practice. We're going to perform a set of pranayamas to create a cooling effect with the body and the mind, and to activate the calming qualities of the parasympathetic nervous system. Coming into a comfortable seated position on the mat. Placing mudra on your fingers, Gyan mudra, tip of your index touching your thumb. Close your eyes, fairly sitting straight on spine. Relax your muscles. Your body will continue to relax as you meditate. Observe your breathing. Notice how your breath flows in and out. Make no effort to change your breathing. Your body knows how much air it needs. Seeing in your mind's eye your breath flowing gently in and out of your body. And now that you are enjoying this state of relaxation, let's take 3 deep inhales, exhales. Inhales are through the nose, exhales are with the mouth. Inhale breath. Exhale, open your mouth, say inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Sheetali Pranayama, or the cooling breath. The inhales are through the mouth with fish lips. Imagine you're drawing water from the straw. You're going to inhale through it. And we're going to close the lips to exhale through your nose. Let's do this together. Inhale. Seal your lips. Exhale through your nose. Inhale. Sealing lips, exhale through nose. Keep relaxing your face, your neck and shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. To release. Chandra bhedana pranayama, a beautiful pranayama to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, inducing a state of relaxation and calmness. Left hand right on your lap in front of you. Taking your right hand and using your thumb to close the right nostril. The inhales and exhales are throughout the left side. Nice soft breaths in and out through the left nostril. See how calm and gentle your breathing is, and how relaxed your body feels. When your attention wanders, just focus back on your breathing. Feel your chest and stomach rise gently and fall with each breath. Release the hand and release your breath. We shall come into Dhyani Mudra. The right hand over the left, palms are facing upwards. The thumbs slightly touch each other. We will come back to normal breathing, slowly returning to normal breathing. Now is the time to gently reawaken your body and mind. and your mind returning to its usual state of alertness. We shall bow down for today's practice on the mat as we rub our palms together to form the heat, and gently placing the warmth of your palms down to your eyes. And look into your palms as you gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Until next time, Namaste.